Are you still trusting big banks with your hard-earned money? You could be losing thousands. Many Americans don't realize the money they lose every year keeping funds in large banks. It's time to reveal the hidden costs of safe banking. Let's dive into why keeping your money in big banks can be a financial mistake. First, understand how interest rates impact your savings. Most big banks offer extremely low interest rates, often below inflation. This means your money is losing value over time. Next, consider the fees charged by these banks. Monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, and transaction fees add up quickly. These hidden costs further eat into your savings. Now, look at smarter alternatives used by wealthy Americans. High-yield savings accounts often provide much better interest rates. They can help your money grow instead of shrink. Also, consider credit unions. They usually have lower fees and better interest rates than big banks. Credit unions are non-profit organizations, focusing on members, not profits. Investing in a diversified portfolio is another option. Stocks, bonds, or real estate can often yield higher returns than traditional bank savings. Now let's recap the key points. Big banks offer low interest rates that erode savings. Hidden fees further diminish your hard-earned cash. Wealthy individuals choose high-yield accounts, credit unions, or investing for better growth. Ready to make a change? Switch your money to a high-yield savings account or a credit union today. Start growing your wealth rather than watching it dwindle away. If you found this information helpful, give us a like. Subscribe for more tips on how to manage your finances smarter. Let's take control of our money together.